Hey guys, Michael here. Today's phrasal verb is catch on. Like many phrasal verbs, catch on has a couple of different meanings, but the one that I'm going to focus on today is to understand. When you say that you catch on, it means that you understand what someone said or you understand what to do or the instructions that somebody gave you. That's usually the kind of situation that you can use the phrasal verb catch on. There's a new guy working in my office, and he's a pretty smart guy, and it seems like he always catches on quickly. He catches on quickly means that when someone explains something to him, he picks it up and he gets used to doing it quickly. He catches on quickly. One of my friends told me about this old movie called The Matrix, and he said, "Oh, you've got to watch The Matrix." And so I watched it over the weekend, but it was really complicated. I just couldn't catch on. I couldn't understand what was going on in that movie. I wanted to edit a photo, and I asked my friend Jenny how to do that in Photoshop, and she showed me a couple of really easy ways that you can do that. And her explanation was really easy, so it was easy for me to catch on. By the way, if you like learning phrasal verbs and vocabulary, why not check out my free phrasal verb workshop? You'll get a free PDF download when you do. There's a link below. How about you? Do you catch on quickly? Why not leave a comment below and let us know? Catch you later!